Stainless steel rotary ovens are equipped with a dual-channel air blowing system for balanced baking. Thanks to double insulation and glass application, heat loss is kept at a minimum and fuel consumption is diminished considerably. Steam is produced by means of water channels situated right in front of the combustion chamber. Stainless spring steel is used instead of silicone door gaskets, which leads to low maintenance and spare parts costs. Safety measures incorporated include a second thermometer and a door handle which can be opened from the inside.